Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome to Dad Builds It. Today we're going to build a planter's box and we're going to make it out of these scraps. My kids are putting up a new fence and these are just the fence pickets they had left over. We need 12 pieces at 16 inches long, so I set the fence up 16 inches. Now this is optional, but what I do is run it through my table saw and I'm going to cut this rough edge off and it's going to give it a nice straight edge, so when we put it together they'll butt together. So now we need to cut our frame pieces. We're going to need those at 13 inches, so I set our stop up at 13 inches. And now we're going to take the pieces we cut 13 inches and we're going to rip them down 3/4 of an inch. And we're going to need 3 for our legs at 18 inches. We'll rip our leg pieces at 2 inches. And now we're going to build the legs. And with our 13-inch pieces, we're going to drill a little pocket hole so we can attach them to our legs. Now we're going to attach our legs with the 13-inch piece that we drilled our pocket hole in. With a 1-inch screw. Now we'll attach the bottom brace, and I'm going to put this in for my spacer so we'll have the height for our leg. And now we'll put in our 16-inch pickets.
Now we're attaching brackets to make a shelf on the bottom.
So we added little braces in the bottom. We're going to add our shelf to the bottom. Now we're going to cut a frame for the top. We need to cut them at a 45-degree angle. And now we're going to put our frame across the top. We'll cut every one of them at a 45-degree angle. And we'll just nail them across the top. Alright, we added our top. And now we're going to put a little X on here. So I cut a little 3/4 of an inch strip of wood, and we're going to add it like this, make a little X in it. So we'll put it where we want it, and then we'll put a little mark on here where we're going to cut it. Cut. Okay, so the top of the X is going to be 41 degrees. Now we're going to cut out to the middle of the X, and these are at 6 degrees. So now all we need is to put a plan in it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.